You ever record a great video, then spend hours editing, trimming, adding subtitles, uploading, and still feel like it's missing something? Or maybe you just want a way to turn screen recordings into something more useful, like a course, client demo, or lead magnet, but it's all way too technical? Yeah, I've been there. That's why I tried Dadan. And I've got to say, this tool is kind of a hidden gem. Dadan is an all-in-one video platform that helps you record, edit, and share videos. But here's the kicker. It actually helps you engage your audience too. Think webcam plus screen recorder, video editor, subtitles, quizzes, calls to action, even AI-powered chapters and summaries, all in one spot. Whether you're a course creator, coach, marketer, or just explaining stuff to clients, this tool seriously cuts your workflow in half. First up, recording. Dadan lets you record your screen, webcam, or both. No downloads, no fluff. You can highlight your mouse, draw on screen live, and keep things clear for your audience. Perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, or onboarding new clients. Next, editing and AI assist. This part blew me away. You can trim videos, add chapters, generate subtitles, and the AI can create full summaries, quizzes, metadata, and even auto chapters for you. It's like having a virtual assistant who understands your content better than you do. Want engagement? You can embed polls, quizzes, CTAs, and custom links right inside the video. So instead of people watching and bouncing, they're actually interacting and taking action. This is great for lead generation, selling products, or even qualifying prospects on autopilot. Plus, you get control over branding, permissions, link expiration, even team access if you're working with clients or a small team. Super clean, no clutter, nothing extra you don't need. Here's where it gets really interesting. Most people are paying $20 to $50 a month for each of the tools Dadan replaces. That's hundreds of dollars every year. But this AppSumo lifetime deal gives you full access for a one-time price starting at just $59. That's it. Pay once, use it forever. For me, it's a no-brainer if you're producing video content even semi-regularly. I'm not saying Dadan is perfect. The editing isn't super advanced, and the AI can be a little stiff sometimes. But for what it does, and the lifetime access you get, I honestly think it's one of the smartest tools I've picked up this year. If you're trying to grow your brand, create engaging videos, or just save time, this could be a really smart move. If you're curious, I've dropped the Dadan lifetime deal link down in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, but it helps support the channel if you decide to grab it. Win-win. And if you have any questions about how I use it, drop a comment. I always read those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.